In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the equalizer in Spotify. If you're a music enthusiast who wants to fine-tune your listening experience, the Spotify equalizer can be a great tool. It allows you to adjust the sound frequencies, helping you enjoy your music just the way you like it. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open the Spotify desktop app on your computer. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. Now, this will take you to a page where you can see various settings for your Spotify account. Scroll down until you reach the playback section. This section contains a variety of options that can enhance your music playback. Here, you'll find the equalizer option. It's usually turned off by default, so you'll need to toggle the switch to the on position. Once you enable it, a graphic equalizer will appear on your screen. This is where you can start customizing the sound according to your preference. You have the option to choose from a range of presets that Spotify offers. These presets are designed to match different music genres, like rock, pop, dance, and many others. Selecting one of these can instantly adjust your music's frequency settings to suit that particular style. However, if you're someone who prefers a more individualized sound, you can opt for a personal setup. To do this, manually adjust the sliders on the equalizer. These sliders allow you to control different frequencies. By dragging these dots up or down, you can emphasize or reduce specific sound elements, such as the bass, mids, or treble. This gives you complete control over your audio output, letting your music reflect your personal taste perfectly. A good tip is to play a favorite song while making these adjustments. This allows you to hear the differences in real time and tailor the sound to your liking. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to use the equalizer. It's all about exploring and finding what sounds best to you. And there you have it. Using the equalizer in Spotify is a simple yet effective way to enhance your listening experience. Whether you prefer to use the convenient presets or explore with custom settings, you'll notice the difference it can make. Enjoy experimenting and let your music truly resonate with you. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Spotify experience. Happy listening!